Hi, my name is Kaylee Kramer, and today I will be discussing how inflammation can be protective and useful for the body. To begin this presentation, I will be going over the basic function of inflammation, including the definition, characteristics, examples, and symptoms. First, let's discuss the basic information of inflammation, beginning with the definition. The definition of inflammation is the body's way of protecting you. This means that you have white blood cells that are in your body. These white blood cells specifically help protect you from infection, fight off infection, which can usually be stemmed from bacteria or viruses. With inflammation, you can have acute or chronic. Acute inflammation involves short-lived and usually lasts hours or days. This can include a skin wound, a cut, something smaller than a big incense. Another type of inflammation is chronic inflammation. Usually this lasts months or years. This can include arthritis or chronic conditions that we will discuss in the next slide. Now we will be talking about how inflammation is correlated with the body, including examples and symptoms. Examples of inflammation in the body include arthritis and chronic conditions. These are the two we will be talking about today. With arthritis, you can have different types, including rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, or gouty arthritis. With chronic conditions, this can include cancer, heart disease, asthma, diabetes, etc. Some of the symptoms that follow these examples include muscle stiffness and joint pain, which can be correlated with types of arthritis. And with chronic conditions, usually you see symptoms of fever, chills, fatigue, or headaches, or if it's worsening condition, it can be exacerbated. Now that we have talked about all of the different types of inflammation which can stem from cancer, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, arthritis, just a couple that are mentioned in this figure, now we will talk about if inflammation can be protective and useful in the body. Yes, inflammation can definitely be good for the body and can be protective and useful. Here in this slide, we'll be discussing a few areas where it is protective and useful. First, we will talk about tissue structure. When you have tissue damage, such as the epithelial surface of your skin, inflammation will occur with redness or swelling, such as shown in the background picture on this presentation. Inflammation will allow for tissue regeneration and restoration when an acute cut or wound occurs. With your endothelial cells, these respond immediately to injury. They will send signals for cells to cluster in a local area to enter the tissue at the area of injury. The third category is vascular endothelium. The cells lining the blood vessels at the local site of the injury will dilate, and when these dilate, they will bring more blood into the area, which will result in swelling. This concludes the presentation on if inflammation can be protective and useful for the body. Thank you.